Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to tell you that how you can generate auto caption for your videos. As you can see, this is the trend of the auto captions and the stylish subtitles. So let's install. So what we have to do, first of all, we have to install the Capcut. And after installing the Capcut, we have to open that. So I'm going to open this. You can also do this in your Android phone or your desktop version. So I'm going to do this in the desktop version. So we have to click on the new project, and after clicking on the new project, so we have to click on the import. And after that, we have to open the video. For example, I'm going to open this video and we have to click on the open. And after clicking on the open, I'm going to drag this video here. So let's drag this one here. And after dragging this, as you can see, the CapCut is open. Now what we have to do, we have to click on the text option. So as you can see, here's the text option, and after clicking on the text option, you have to scroll down and you will see the auto caption option here. So as you can see, I'm going to click on the auto caption, and you have to select the language, that in which language you want you auto caption your caption. So what we have to do, we have to select the language, and after selecting the language, then we have to click on the create, and it will take few seconds in downloading, in generating your captions. It's up to your internet speed. If your internet will be fast, then you will get the faster results. So wait a few seconds. What I'm going to do, I'm zoom in. So let's see. So what we need to do, as you can see, you are unable to see the captions because they are in the white color. So I'm going to click on this, and after that I'm going to scroll down, and I have to change the color. So I'm going to click on this. So as you can see, these are the subtitles, these are the auto captions, and you can see the auto captions are here if you want to generate the auto caption. So in this way you can generate your auto captions. As you can see, now you can read them. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can generate the auto caption in your CapCut. You just have to follow my these steps and you will learn easily. So I hope you guys understand this video. So see you guys in the next video.